Meet Torque Tester Lite, Torque's data analyzer specifically designed to deliver exceptional performance even in the harshest environmental conditions. This handheld device is the ideal solution for verifying tools in the field in industrial environments such as oil rigs, refineries, chemical plants, or anywhere where moisture, dust, or salinity are the right factors. Thanks to its robust construction and IP65 and IP67 rating, TTL holds up without compromising accuracy. With an accuracy of more or less, TTL guarantees reliable readings, which makes it an indispensable ally for quality assurance in assembly processes, industrial maintenance, and production. Its clear, high-contrast display allows for quick and safe reading even in low visibility conditions. In addition, it has an intuitive interface that offers up to 10 measurement modes, making it easy to adapt to a wide variety of tasks. One of its biggest advantages is universal compatibility. It automatically recognizes Norbar smart transducers and can also work with a wide range of transducers from other manufacturers, making it a flexible and targeted solution. In addition, its password protection system prevents operational errors and ensures the integrity of the process. The Torque Tester Lite not only provides precision, but also portability and autonomy, thanks to its rechargeable battery and its complete design. It comes ready to work with a sturdy carrying case, tether strap, and battery. In short, TTL is much more than a data analyzer. It's a reliable, versatile, and built tool to last. Ideal for engineers, maintenance technicians, quality inspectors, and torque professionals working in failing conditions. It is not an option. Contact us today and take your operation to the next level. Adecom is aligned in all its processes with ISO regulations, IMA policy, supplier assurance, and due diligence.